AYMultiCharacter Physique. So I'm going to use AY Female for this video because she has more options, and that's because of the breast, the butt size. But for the other parts, this part of the layout, this part and this is same for kid and male. So the physique is now very different. We have so much options compared to version 1. So now we have head size. You can increase the head of the character. It's quite slow, so let's switch to circles. So you can increase the head size, see how big the head is, or you can reduce the head size. You can increase the neck size, or you can reduce it, see how slim. The neck length, or you can take it down. So if you want a more realistic looking character, you can easily get it with this, not looking too cartoony. So the height, now we can have very tall characters and very short characters. So as short as this is, if you want that shorter, you can still increase, you can reduce the leg length, make her shorter. So if you want to make like a character that is a draft, you can easily create that with this. So arm length, you can reduce that. So the hand size, you can reduce that. So chest, push it out, push it in. So you have so much options. Breast size, now the breast size has more. It's not just to make it bigger. Before we really have a bigger breast, but now you can move it up and down, move it up and down. You can move it in and out. So in, move it out. Then you can have more curves to the character. You can increase the butt size of the character. We had this before. So by now we have more options. Now another new thing we added was the leg bow. So if you want a character with bow leg, you can easily get that. If you want the leg to be slim, that's the leg size. You can make it very slim. The arm size too, you can make it slim. So this is another looking character. So with this, instead of doing this manually, I can go to my randomization, deactivate everything for the character and just activate physique. Then you can just randomize the character's physique alone. You can just randomize the character's physique alone. So let's say you like the character's look and outfits, but you want to change the body, the way the body look. You can just do this with physique. So to just change the way your character look and give you the different look for your character. So that's it.